Hi guys, and today I'll be showing you how to put two hairs on at a time. Now as you can see, this is only on PC. I don't know how to do the mobile yet, but it's not only on PC, but you can do it on mobile. I just don't know how to do it on mobile yet. But first, you want to make sure you have any hair on that you want. So say I wanted these two hairs on at a time. So basically, you just I forgot. Yeah, I think it's right click. You right click. I'm not sure what it is because I forgot my left and right, of course. Open link in new tab. And then you see this up here. This is a code. So you highlight the code, right click again. Go ahead and copy. And then go to whatever other hair you want as well. Do the same thing, but this time you want to memorize this one. So first, after you did that, get rid of that. Put in the paste. It should put in that code. Now, asset ID, you can go back and forth, and yeah, this is this. So this is gonna take me a little while, but I'll do it. I'll be back after I'm done. Okay, now that you're done that, you want to go ahead and press the save button. It will just pop up. Just press save, and then you have both of the hair on at a time. You can go ahead and look if you want to. You can't say this is not cute, but you can say it's not cute, but it is. To me, it is. Anyways, yeah, that was today's video. Hope you guys like it. Enjoy. Bye, everyone.